Google Meet is a conference app developed by Google that allows us to communicate for free via video conferencing. Google Meet offers different services and features. The application allows you to share the screen during a group call, so you can work with the team on the same file. The application also has a chat that allows you to share comments, facilitating group work. Still, Google Meet also comes with some limitation, as it only allows you to create video calls with a maximum of 500 people. The app installation process varies depending on the device Google Meet is used in. To use Google Meet on your computer, the following link will lead you to the Google Meet homepage: apps.google.com/meet/. Once there, you can log in with your personal email by clicking on the Login button. After logging in the lower left corner, you will find two tabs: New Meeting and Enter Code or Link. If you have selected the option New Meeting, you will be presented with three options to create a video conference, including Create a meeting for later use. This feature gives you the opportunity to create a link that will allow you to access the meeting later. To allow other users to access the video call, all you have to do is copy the link and send it to the people you want to invite to the meeting. To enter the meeting, you can use the function Enter Code or Link. This will allow you to access the meeting you created earlier. When people start to arrive at the meeting, you will need to use the Join Attendee option that will appear at the top. Observation: in case the sent link does not work and you need to send a meeting code to a future attendee, you can find it in the lower left corner of the meeting. Start the meeting now. By clicking this feature, you will access the meeting immediately. As described above, to allow access to other users, remember to share with individual users the link or code created earlier. Google Calendar. It allows you to create a meeting thanks to a simple click on the button, Create. A window will open where at the top the inscription, Add a Title, will appear, and there you can assign the title of your event. Below, you can set a reminder of which time and day you want to see the meeting notification. In the Event Details, you can add different information about the video call. In the end, you click on Save. In this way, your meeting will be placed in the program. If you have been invited, select the Insert Code or Link option to enter the meeting and paste the code or link for the meeting that another person has scheduled. Before entering the meeting, under the camera window, you can select the option to control your audio and video. After making sure the camera and microphone are working properly, you can click the Join button and wait for someone to receive you for the meeting.